In this video, I'm going to show you how to justify your text in Figma. First of all, make sure that your text is already placed on your screen. Click on it and you'll see a text box around it. This text box can be resized by dragging its edges, which can help with alignment and layout. By default, your text will usually be aligned to the left side within the text box. To change this alignment, look at the design panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the typography section. Here, you will see different alignment options such as left, center, and right alignment. However, you won't see a direct justify option right there. To access the justify alignment option, you need to click on the type settings icon within the typography section. Once you click it, a more detailed menu will open, where you'll again see text alignment options. This time, at the end of the list, you'll find an option to justify your text. Click on the justify icon and you'll notice your text will immediately adjust to fill the full width of the text box evenly, aligning both the left and right sides. And this is how you can justify your text in Figma.